Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about this ViewSonic monitor that I've got here. The model number is VX2780 SHDJ, and in my opinion, this is one of the best 27 inches 2K monitor that you can buy online. So first, I'll be doing the unboxing. We'll see what all we get in the box. Then I'll talk a little bit about the features and the USP of this product. And finally, I'll plug it to my desktop and we can see how good the display quality is. So let's get started. So the first thing that we've got in here is the power cable. This is a standard power cable which has a 3-pin plug, and this is the kind of the standard connectors that you have for desktops and monitors. Here's an additional power cable. This one has a different connector. This is, I think, for European plugs. The other one that I showed you in the beginning was for Indian wall sockets, and I think this one is for European sockets. Let me take this out. Yeah, so this is the kind of connector that you have, and the plug on the other side is the same. So let's keep this aside. Yeah, and then we have an HDMI cable. The quality looks quite nice. And finally, this is the monitor along with the stand. So the stand looks quite premium as well. It's got a nice metal like finish, and this is the base of the stand. So on this we'll need to connect the arm, and then this will connect to the monitor. Alright, let's fix the base first. So that's tight and secure, and now we can mount the panel on this. And this is how the monitor looks on the table. It's quite huge. 27 inches is kind of a decent size, and I think 4K on 27 inches is a bit of an overkill. So 2K resolution with 27 is perfect, and you won't have to scale up your resolution. You can keep it at 100% and it will still look fine. So let me connect this to my desktop and we'll see how the colors look, and we'll check out the features as well. And by the way, I forgot to show you this. So this is the user manual, which has precise instructions on how you need to do the connections and also the assembly part. So this is helpful if you're like setting up your monitor for the very first time. So on the monitor there are two HDMI ports and one DP port. There is an auxiliary port as well for audio. So I'm just going to use one of the HDMI ports, and I'll also connect the power supply. So I've turned on the monitor and you can see that the colors are looking quite amazing. It's true to its natural color. It's not like something is oversaturated or something is looking pixelated. So the display is quite amazing, and the font size, that is also quite good, because 27 inches of screen size and 2K resolution is a perfect blend to have. Now coming to the construction or the build quality of this monitor, I would give ViewSonic 10 on 10 here again, because the monitor looks quite premium, and construction wise, if you see, the base is quite huge. It doesn't move around on the table, and it holds on the weight of the screen quite nicely. Then we've got this height adjuster panel over here, or the arm of this, and you can easily move the monitor up and down. The next thing is this wire holder, so you can push the wires from here and then they can be plugged into the monitor. And finally, the bezels are almost non-existent. On top, it's a bezel-less display. At the bottom, you have this little line, but this is also quite thin. And here you have these analog buttons, which in my opinion are better compared to the touchscreen ones, because you can easily like figure out which button is for what, and you can feel these buttons and press them accordingly. So with respect to construction, again a 10 on 10, and I think this monitor is perfect for anyone who is looking for a 27 inches 2K monitor. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about this product, then you can add those in the comment section below and I'll answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.